Machine! Go everywhere! One man! Bring it here! Hold on. Adult pampers. Adult pampers. Which was green light? Because they said it's green light. It's gone. Yellow. Yes. Okay. Hello.
The Nigerian Customs Service, Port Harcourt Area 1 Command, following the directive of Nigerian Customs Service Headquarters and accordance with extant laws, hereby officially hand over expired pharmaceutical products to pharmacist Adepoju Bayo Rao, a Deputy Director, Port Harcourt Inspection, Directorate of Nigerian Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, Port Harcourt. Thank you, sir.
Yes, taking over of expired pharmaceutical products from Nigerian Customs Service, Port Harcourt Area 1 Command. On this day, 29th of July 2026, I, Farm Adepoju Bayo, Deputy Director, Port Inspection Directorate of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, Port Harcourt, hereby officially take over expired pharmaceutical products from Nigeria Customs Service, Port Harcourt Area 1 Command, in accordance with the provision of extant laws. Thank you.
On 22nd June 2026, at about 13:20 hours, officers of Nigerian Customs Service, Port Harcourt Area 1 Command, Share 3, acting in collaboration with NAFDAC and other relevant government agencies, conducted a joint examination on 1x40 container with container number MRSU 319906, C number 354, originated from United States. The container was found to contain 606 cartons of ibuprofen capsule, 173 cartons of donazil hydrochloride tablets, 266 cartons of subnite lamotrigine tablets, 103 cartons of laprozone delay release capsules, among others, with CIF value of over 59 million naira. The interception of this consignment prevents what could have been a major public health disaster. Expired medicine are not merely effective, they pose serious health risk to consumers. The use of such products can result in treatment failure, drug toxicity of lives. Had these expired pharmaceutical products found their way into our markets, pharmacies, hospitals, and homes, countless Nigerians would have been exposed to avoidable health complications with potentially devastating consequences.
Effort of yours in your collaboration with us to fight this menace that is eating up our society, That is our plot and plan to ensure that we maintain zero tolerance to fake drug in our society. We cannot continue to tolerate this evil menace that is plaguing in our society. In an area where we're trying to fight our economy, it's so sudden that somebody will come under that disguise and say it's trying to help or add value to the health of our nation and will be bringing drugs that are expired. The counterfeiting is a global a challenge in our world. And as you fight, people are devising other means to say that they want to escape.
No, don't worry, I'm taking
Your permission, we rise and take position, please.
because